welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be on the Morphe Lunarious palette. Here's what the inside of this looks like. To me, I'm thinking this would be like a gorgeous New Year's Eve glam look. Just absolutely beautiful. And also just a note on my face today. I finally got my hands on that e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I put that on. I put my primer on, which I have the new e.l.f. Grip Primer as well, the one with niacinamide. So I put that on, and then I put the Halo Glow Filter, and then I just used the, what is it? I'm not going to be able to even think of the name, but it's the L'Oreal shade match, whatever. Pardon me. I'm horrible with product names, you guys. Hold on, let me just see if I can figure this out, because it's going to drive me crazy. Okay, it's the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Foundation. So I got that on over it, and I just have such a glow, and I used an e.l.f. Luminous Putty Blush as well. I think it's in the shade Bermuda, and then just an e.l.f. their lip stain. And also, I got my hands on the new e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara, which we are going to be using at the end of this video. So, just stay tuned. And now for this beautiful palette. Probably not going to be going anywhere today, so I don't want to do anything too crazy, but I do want to try out some of these beautiful deep dark shades, so we're just going to see what happens. I'm cleaning my brushes because I didn't get to that before the video started, so there's like nothing worse than trying to do like a certain look and then you pick up a brush you haven't cleaned and you have yourself quite the mess because your shade is going to be off. So, just trying to get these done. I am really enjoying these Shop Miss A brushes that I picked up. So, if you guys are looking for some brushes, they're like I can't remember, it's like $1.50 or, you know, maybe $1 a piece. They're really good. So, let's start with the shade Gravitational Pull, which is the shade right here. And we're just going to use that as our transition shade. And I think like with this palette, the shades are supposed to be like different finishes and things. I haven't really seen any reviews or anything on this palette. I think they came out with like 3 versions of this formula type or palette type, and I just have not seen anyone talk about it. So we're just going to see how it works, what we think of it. I ordered it from Ulta, which I also ordered like a couple of the new Essence, well, they're new to me, Essence highlighters. And one came perfectly fine, and of course the other one was just smashed beyond belief. I actually have it on the table with me. If you guys can just tell how smashed and destroyed this is, like, I literally don't even, I'm going to try and show you. Can you see that? Like, I can't, yeah. That's how that was delivered to me. I don't know what it is because, you guys, I love Ulta, but man, like, I don't know if it's like the last year or so, their shipping is horrible. Like, I would say most of the orders I placed, something has been busted, and it's just like, it didn't used to be that way. So I don't know if it's, and to me, like, if one, like in the other highlighter I got was perfectly fine. So if they're the same brand, you know, just a different shade, to me, like, I don't understand how one can arrive perfectly fine and the other one arrives just busted beyond repair. Unless it's something that's like happening in the warehouse and they're throwing a busted palette in your package, or a busted highlighter in your package, which I would say normally, you know, maybe they couldn't see it, but this is clear packaging and this is clearly busted. So I don't know what's going on, but I do have to say though, like their customer service was awesome. I just did like an online chat with them and I was like, hey, this is busted. They said, can you send me a picture of it? Which I did. And they're like, there's a new one on the way. So at least it's, they're remedying the problem. It would just be nice if the problem wasn't there to begin with. Okay. So next I want to go in with, let's go with this black shade Total Eclipse just to see what happens. And we're just gonna do this on that outer corner. That is a really, really nice black shade. Very pigmented. Okay. Now, I think that some of these pretty shimmer shades, I think they're kind of supposed to meant to be more topper shades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade Shadow Phase right here. And I'm just going to gently lay that down on the inner part of my eye. Just a small little coating of this. I'm just kind of gonna blend it into the black. Okay. Okay. Kind of blend this in a little bit. So I'm actually not an all matte eyeshadow kind of girl, but this does look really, really pretty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take, I don't know which of these shades I want to use because they're both really, really pretty. We're gonna go with Cosmic Shift, which is this shade right here. It just looks like it's got a little more shimmer, and that's just kind of what I'm really wanting right now. And we're just gonna put that over the top part, front part of the eye. Yeah, this is gorgeous. If you're going out for New Year's Eve, like, you need this palette. This would be perfect for a New Year's Eve look. Just that smoky, glam, sparkly, just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love this. I love these sparkles. I just cannot get enough. Okay, for the lower lash line, I want to take the shade, let's do full orbit, and then if we need to, we'll deepen it up a little bit. Because I want just a lighter lower lash look. That's actually perfect. It's good. Because I did have a little bit of fallout from the darker shades, so. Okay, now I got some holy fallout going on, so I'm going to need to fix that. And I got to do the lower inner corner highlight, which I think we're going to take the shade Moon Rock, which is the shade right here. And whoa, just going to put that right there. Got a little bit of a chunky piece, but that's okay. We're just going to blend it in a little bit more. Feels like this is more of like a putty shade. Alright, I'm gonna go clean up this fallout and then I'll be right back and we're gonna try out that e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara. Okay, so I tried to clear out, clear out whatever the fallout the best I could. Now, this is the e.l.f. Lash and Roll mascara. I've kind of seen people putting it on different ways, so, sorry, I'm just trying to, I like have the most uncomfortable filming chair. So I'm just gonna try and do how I would do it and what like works for me and see how it looks. I mean, here's what the mascara one looks like. Like, I saw some people say you're supposed to do this and kind of like rock it back and forth. And I normally do like layer my mascara, so I never really just wear one. And also, I apologize, I realized I did a super dark look, so it's going to make it harder to see the mascara. I mean, it's not looking bad. I'm just not sure how much you guys can see of that. I'll try and come closer once I'm finished, so that you guys can see how it looks. And then if I need to add like another mascara, I will. But I just want you guys to be able to see like what this one does first. Yeah, so usually every day I do like the Maybelline Sky High mixed with the Essence Lash Princess, or I'll do Maybelline Sky High with the Maybelline Stiletto Lash, or sometimes I do the L'Oreal Telescopic and the Maybelline Sky High, but basically no matter what I do, I have to have my Maybelline Sky High. That is just my finishing touch to get the best look for my lashes. Sorry, like when I do my lashes, I really like to fluff them and get them looking their best, so it sometimes takes me a minute. Okay, so I definitely, my lashes are fairly long and I just feel like they're lacking in length. But also, yeah, I am wearing like a super dark eyeshadow, which probably wasn't the best plan, you guys, so I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the finished look. And sorry, I just feel like I got totally off when I moved the chair, which I should know better. I shouldn't do that, but I just wanted to try and give you guys the best look at these lashes. They're okay. I feel like I need to kind of do a little more on this one. This is feeling like a pretty dry mascara to me. And while I don't like them too wet, it needs to be a little more wet than this for me anyway. But they look okay. Again, not horrible. I think mixing it with my Maybelline Sky High, and maybe I've just gotten used to that and that's just my go-to and I just have to have it. But I think maybe mixed with that, it would look a lot better. But it's not bad. I mean, I feel like just the length I'm missing, lacking a little. But, you know, it's doable. And I'll try it out and mix it in. If I think about it, I'll mention it in another video, you guys. But anyway, this is the Morphe Lunarious palette. And here's what the inside looks like. Just absolutely beautiful, stunning. Again, I think this would be an amazing New Year's Eve palette. So, you guys, this is, again, the finished look. If you can see those sparkles. And just thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry, some days, like, words just don't work. For supporting this channel and supporting me, and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And if you feel, you know, leave a comment down below. And thank you all so much again. Just please stay safe. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I will see you in the next one.